Hi guys, so if you go to Trimble Business Center start page, on the right hand side you have these tips and tricks, and on on April 25th they have introduced upgrade to your HASP key. HASP key is basically the secure license manager, license updater. So the node reads, due to ongoing efforts to improve security, rarely an updated version of Trimble HASP license updater version 22.03 is now available for download. Survey Office, Trimble Business Center and Trimble RealWorks user will need to update to this new version by the end of April of 2022. At that time, the older version of Trimble HASP license updater will no longer work. The install latest version, click here. I'm gonna post the link in the notes. The link basically downloads the updater. Let's run through it. What is it actually gonna do? So here is the HLU 22.03.30.exe. I'm gonna double click that and let's see, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course yes, that was the Windows prompt. And let's see, select the language. I'm just gonna go with English as usual, since I am in English speaking country. And yeah, welcome to the install wizard for the Trimble HASP license updater. I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna hit next again and install. And please, while the install sheet wizard installs Trimble HASP license updater, this may take several minutes. So while we wait for the install to finish, I just want to prompt you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and get some ideas for the next video. And voila, the installer has successfully installed Trimble HASP license updater. Click to finish to exit the wizard, and there is a check mark to update the license, so we're gonna hit finish. And Trimble HASP license updater, here we go. And if we would have a new license code, we would be able to upgrade it. I'm actually waiting for my license updater, so we'll do that next time.